Hello, welcome to another video. Today we'll be talking about structs. Structs are similar to something called classes, which we'll be learning about. And the whole point of structs is to learn about the concept of object-oriented programming, which is what C++ is all about. Object-oriented programming. Well, what's an object? An object is a concept such as a person or a rectangle, a cube, a employee, a pet, anything you can think of that can be conceptualized and used in C++. So let's do a person in this example. Let's do struct person. The struct has what's known as members and methods, just like a class. A member is such as an int, a char, a string, a double. A method would be a function of the person, such as the person walks or the person calculates. So we're going to say this person has an age. I'm going to say the person has a height. Structs are public. The members of a struct are public by default, while the members of a class are private by default. You can specify, and we'll learn about public and private more when I go over classes in a future video. But this is how you create an object with a struct. So let's go into main and say person show dot age equals 21. Let's give him, first we have to say person show. Let's also create a person named Bob. Show's age is 21. And person show height equals, we'll say that this is in inches, we'll say 60. Okay. Now, let's do Bob. Person Bob age. As you can see, when you use the dot notation, the integrated development environment automatically gives you a choice of either age or height because it's very smart and knows that you want to choose either age or height. So We're going to make Bob older than Joe, and we're going to make him taller as well. So let's make person Bob dot height. So he gives you a choice because it's acquainted with object-oriented programming. Equal 65. Well, let's do an if statement. Let's say if Joe dot age less than Bob dot age, output Bob is older than Joe. Otherwise, oops, forgot a semicolon here. Very common in C++ programming, forgetting the semicolon, but here we go. Otherwise, Joe is older than Bob. What's going to happen in this case? Well, we know that Bob is older than Joe, so this is the one that's going to happen. But when you have data that's coming from a file, for example, you may not know in advance. So we're going to learn about file I/O in a future video. In fact, that's the next video. Now let's copy and paste this. Say if Joe.height less than Bob.height, Bob is taller than Joe. Otherwise, Joe is taller than Bob. Now, given this information here, our if-else statement should say, let's put in lines at the end of all these. In line. This should say Bob is older than Joe, and it should say Bob is taller than Joe as well. Let's see what happens when we run this program. Whoops. Okay. Oh, actually, we don't need person here. Apologize for that. Now we can simply run the program and see that since we already initialized person Joe, we didn't need person in front of these. We just say Joe.age equals 21, Joe.height equals 60, Joe.age equals 23, Joe.height equals 65. It's good that that happened because you can see that when you have an error in your program, you simply click on the link It shows you where the error is, and you can fix it. So, there you go. Bob is older than Joe, and Bob is taller than Joe. I hope you've learned something from this video, and thank you for watching.